Please be advised that the contents of this video can be very disturbing to some. This video contains scary content. It is a work of fiction. It is not real. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. This message is being transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a drill. Texas officials have noted fresh depressions in the ground and cracking in the valley regions outside of Dallas. Trees are tilting forward at a very obvious degree. At this time, all residents of the following counties of Collin, Denton, Kaufman, and Rockwall, as well as Dallas County, should observe cavity filling protocols, and if you have a depression in your yard, dig as much as you can to fill the cavity. This is important. Keep a radio on hand. Stay tuned for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A collapse of unprecedented proportion has been noted to have engulfed the majority of Dallas along with many surrounding suburbs. At this time, all of those who are still receiving this message, grab enough food and water to last 14 days, a battery-powered radio and flashlight, and any other bare essentials you will need. Take nothing else with you. The governor has now issued an order for residents of affected areas to evacuate the area to nearby cities. Stay tuned for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At this time, all of those who are trapped but alive, listen closely. Take deep breaths and hold for as long as you can, and do not spark a lighter or any other combustion-requiring tool, as this will eat away at oxygen. This is your best chance to conserve oxygen. The Texan National Guard has been deployed to help extract civilians from the disaster areas. When you hear people, shout as loud as you can to them, or stick a marker through the ground so they can find you. Good luck, and stay tuned. This message is being transmitted at the request of the Texas National Guard, in conjunction with other government agencies. Upon discovering survivors, National Guard units discovered peculiar objects, green, veiny egg-like pods. If you find these, call 911 immediately and inform them of it. Their origin is unknown, and they could potentially be dangerous. The cause of the sinkhole is unknown at this time. Stay tuned for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. The cause of the sinkhole has been identified as a race of humanoid lizard hybrids. Sinkholes all around the country have happened, and very soon after, these bipedal lizard people rose from the ground and attacked nearby onlookers. We are now in a state of emergency. If you come in contact with these creatures, call 911 immediately, or if you have a gun, shoot it. Aim for the center of mass. The military is beginning air raid campaigns over the main sites. Stay tuned for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. Several cities all around the country have been overrun. The conspiracy theorists that we blew off as pot-smoking hippies were right. The world is in a state of total shock. Several countries have pledged military and economic aid to us. Some of those countries include Germany, Poland, France, Britain, and Canada. Do not be alarmed if you see soldiers with country patches matching those countries' flags. The military is advising everyone to evacuate every city. Go somewhere quiet. Stay tuned for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a drill. Get as far underground as possible, get somewhere lead-lined, and hold on. Bring enough food and water for 14 days, bring a battery-powered radio and flashlight, and other clothing and essentials you will need. The President has authorized mass nuclear strikes to combat and destroy the lizard people. The bombs will detonate in 30 minutes. Good luck and Godspeed. We will play the anthem while the alarms sound. God bless America.
support. How copy? This is Thunderclap 1. No longer in a position to assist. We're moving to LZ Finch. The hell you say? We're freaking surrounded over here. Push out to the nearest LZ and await further instruction. Any station. This is Goose 4. I have 16 wounded, 7 dead at LZ Sparrow. We have multiple X-rays all around us. We cannot take off. We are grounded. Is anyone there? We need support now. Get off yet. Just go for it. Goose 4, this is Bloodhound 3. Reading you loud and clear. ETA 1 Mike. Sit tight, guys. This is Tree Frog 3. I have eyes on Freeman. you sure it's Freeman? He looks like an orange ice pop, sir. Spit spot thing. Understood. If you have the shot, take it. Copy. This is Mastiff 1. Multiple targets in the open. 3 o'clock. 50 meters. On the way. In the air. Incoming. Shit. Son of a back up. Shit. Back the fuck.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. The lizard leader is hereby dubbed Freeman. If you hear a mention of quote Freeman unquote, report it to local authorities or your local military officials. Military personnel are currently tracking the leader. This will all be over soon. Stay tuned for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. The lizard leader is dead. Military personnel have killed the leader, and the lizards all keeled over and died. The disaster is over. The military is leading a 10,000-man unit to explore the vast caverns the lizards dug. The cities are not safe and won't be safe for some time. The nightmare is over. Good job, everyone. We did it. Ceasing transmissions at the tone.